3D says state the number of significant figures in each of the following. So 1A, that is 39018. So how many numbers are there? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say this is 5 significant figures. Simple. Okay. How many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. Simple. What about question number B? Question number B says 0.028 030, 0.028 030. So here, how many significant figures are there? Very simple. Just you need to think about after the decimal point, because before decimal, there is no whole number. Okay, if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no whole number here. That is 0. So we will not count this one as a significant figure. After point, this 0 also will not be counted as a significant figure. So significant figure will start from here. Okay. So here, if we look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 will be just say this is 5 significant figure. So here, if you think about 0, that means in decimal point, this 0 and this 0, this 2 0 will not be converted, or this 2 0 will not be recognized as a significant figure. But when a 0 will be between the whole number, that one will be counted as a significant figure. Or after the number, that one also significant figure. But before the number or before the whole number, if there is no other whole number from 1 to 9, then this 1 or this 0 will not be recognized as a significant figure. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 says, round off each of the following to the number of significant figures as given in brackets. So, question number 2A, 7 to 8. So, the question says to convert into 2 significant figures. So, this is just like a round off. Okay. So, 2 significant figure. That means this is first significant figure. This is second significant figure. So, we will just stay up to 2. Okay. So, and after 2, all digits will be converted as 0. Okay. 2 significant, that means first 2 digits will be countable, and after 2, this 8 will be converted as 0. This is the first step. Second step is that 8 is greater than 5. So the previous number will be changed. So instead of 728, it will be 730. Okay. Number B, 503.88. Now the question says 4 significant figure. If you look at 4 significant figure, then count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figure. So we will stop here. Fine. So here we will see that for 8, this 8 will be changed. Why it will be changed? Because this one is greater than 5. So here 8 plus 1, 9. So 503.9. Question number C. Question number C says 0.003085. Okay. Now, if we look at this 4 significant figure, then this is first significant, because this 0, this part will not be categorized as a significant figure. So this is first significant, second significant, third significant, fourth significant, fifth significant. The question says fourth. So we will stop here. Okay. Now, for 5, the previous number will be changed. So 8 will be converted as 8 plus 1, 9. And the remaining all digits will be same. So this is actually 4 significant figure. Now, question number D. Question number D says 6396. At first, we need to convert this one as 2 significant figure. So if we want to convert into 2 significant figure to SF, look, then we have to think about first 2 digits. This is first significant figure. This is second significant figure. Now, the remaining whole numbers will be converted as 0. Okay. So, for 9, 3 will be changed. So, 63 plus 1 will be 64. This is 2 significant figure of 6396. And here, the question again says to convert into 3 significant figure. Here, if we want to convert three significant figure, then we need to think about three digits, 6396. Here, one significant, two significant, three significant. So now, after 9, this 6 will be 0 to convert into three significant. And we need to add 1 with it. After adding 1 with 639, then we'll get 640. Why we are adding 1? Because of this 6. For 6 that is greater than 5, we have to add 1 with 639. So 639 plus 1 will be 6400. That is called three significant figure. Now question number E. Question number E says 9.9999. The question says to convert into three significant figure. So three significant figure means this is first significant, second significant, third significant. Fine. Okay. Now the remaining digits will be cut. Okay. So for 9, the previous digit will be changed. We have to add 1 with it. So 9.99 plus, if we add the last digit by 1, 9 plus 1, 10. We have to add 1 with 9, 0. Again 1, 10. So 10.00 will be three significant figure. And at last, the final answer should be written as 10.0. Okay, because 10.0 is the perfect three significant figure instead of 10.00. Okay, because 10.00 is four significant and 10.0 is three significant. Now, question number F. F says 8.076. We need to convert this one as three significant figure. So three significant, that means this is first significant, second significant, third significant. So we have to stop here. Okay, we will stop at 7. Now we need to think about the next digit, 6. For 6, we have to add 1 with the previous number. Why? Because this 6 is greater than 5. So if we add 1 with 7, it will be 7 plus 1, 8. So final answer will be 8.08.